Good evening, everyone. It is May 26th, 2017. We're doing a quick one-box break. 2016-17 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey. One-box break number 196. 2 random teams each. So, let's roll the dice. 5 and a 4. We're going to go 9 times. 9 times on the list of names and teams. So, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make sure it was a 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9th and final time. After 9 times, Michael Van Wise at the top. Brandon, you're at the bottom. Alrighty. 9 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. After 9 times, Carolina Hurricanes at the top. Ottawa Senators are at the bottom. Too big. Michael, you have the Carolina Hurricanes. Adam E with the Capitals, Avalanche, Panthers, and Toronto Maple Leafs. Brandon with the Wild and Ducks, Last Spot Mojo. Adam with the Sharks. Joshua with the Buffalo Sabres. Adam with the Devils and Oilers. Brandon, Last Spot Mojo for the Penguins. That's a good one. Adam with the Red Wings, Canadians, Rangers, Bruins, Blue Jackets, Coyotes. Raymond, you have the Lightning. Joshua with the Preds. Sabrina, you have the Canucks and Kings. Michael Van Wy with the Blackhawks. Karen with the Flyers. Adam E with the Stars. Raymond with the Blues. Karen with the Winnipeg Jets. Adam E with the Flames and Islanders. And Brandon, you have the Ottawa Senators. So I'm going to quickly pause this video to see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back and open up this quick one-box break of Black Diamond Hockey. So stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list right here. Brandon, Last Ball Mojo with the Ducks. And Last Ball Mojo with the Penguins. And here's everybody else in the break. So like I said, from a fresh case, Black Diamond. So this is a fresh master case. What we're going to do is I'll open up this master case. Roll left or right with my die. See which inner case we're going to do here. Right there. And then we'll open it up, number the boxes. And there it is. Alright, so 1, 2, 3 for the left. 4, 5, 6 for the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's roll it. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be for the future one-box breaks. Right there. Hopefully, Brandon, those usually do come out in every inner case. It especially comes out if we do it with the I think I've noticed the pattern already after all these boxes that if there's a diamond relic, there will be one of those Stanley Cup championship rings. You never know. Penguins are a good team because they do have that Mario Lemieux quad diamond to 65 or 66, so that'd be great. All right, so let's number these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so let's quickly generate one of these boxes right above me. 1 through 5. 4 is generated, so we're going to do box 4. Right here. 1, 2, 3, and 5 will be for future one-box breaks. So, good luck. Use this blank to cover up these hits. Alright, guys, good luck. Blake Wheeler, 45 of 99. Winnipeg Jets. Going to Karen. We have Bobby Clark, Black Diamond Championship banners, 55 of 74. For the Flyers and Karen Steele. Matthew Perreault, team logo jumbos for the Winnipeg Jets. Going to Karen as well. Damn logo jumbos. Never stay upright. There you go. Next one, guys. Brent Burns, 44 of 50 for the San Jose Sharks. Going to Adam E. Last card here, good luck. It's a redemption. Black Diamond, Hockey, Rookie Gems, Pure Black Signatures. JV, number to 199, Jimmy VC. Rangers hit. Going to Adam E. Alrighty, guys, exquisite bonus pack is next. Good luck. Ooh, nice patch for the Toronto Maple Leafs and Adam E. 165 of 299, Mitch Marner. Why is he wearing 84 right there? There you go, Adam. Did have about a ton of spots in this. There you go, man. At least get your Toronto. The last minute. Alrighty, guys, that was a quick one box break of Black Diamond Hockey number 196. No rookie diamond relic here, still 4 more boxes to go. Could be in the next one. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.